I have 1500 plus projects in my portfolio. You can see I have 2827 projects on this platform, 556 total reviews, 98% delivery is successful, and 97% delivered on time. And good like my luck, 99% are my repeat buyers. So if you find I said earlier, if you find I am not a perfect guy, what is I am talking about, but I will share my knowledge with you. And if you find something appropriate to can be improved, please come on my LinkedIn, Sabil Hassan. And when you will search, I will probably appear on first result, and you can suggest me anything that can be improved. So I posted in a group where people were offering digital marketing services. I asked yes, who is offering marketing services. I got reached by 330 to 50 people when I asked, please share your Instagram and please share your online business links. So they were like, probably they don't have any. It makes sense. You cannot afford a website at the beginning, like because it costs $50 a year, but it doesn't cost you a penny when you build a social media presence, when you build your social media account. So if someone is not building this, it's something ghost. So we will talk about our clients online presence to make our clients online business. But what the client asks, what's your online business? Show me your online business. If we cannot build ourselves, how we can build our clients? So and then the question, the second reason you could be you are a camera shy. I am a camera shy because that's why I'm making this video without camera. So it can be a reason, but video the content can be without your face, without your being on camera. You can post videos too without camera. You can post photos if you are not comfortable with camera. So how I manage, let me show you my Canva. You can see how I manage. I created 4 different templates, the content types, the 4 pillars of content to publish on your social media is education, entertainment, inspiration, and promotional. So I made this entertaining. In my entertaining section, I post memes and polls, and in my and next day I post Wednesday and Saturday I post my work and inspirational posts like quotes and reviews. And let me show you one by one how what is it these templates. You can see these are offers I post, and Thursday and Friday I post educational. This content is more important because that's why people will engage with you, and that's why people will follow you to learn something. So I post these 4 different content types under education section. So these are 4 templates. These are 4 content pillars you should be followed and you should follow. So I will show you my Instagram and my profile. So you can see this code type, we selected one template and we post in this template, just add in the text and post it again and again. And this is our what we post in to show our work. And we have selected one template and we just paste our work on it and post. And this is our reviews template, and we just do this. We post innovative things as we get and some ideas, but the regular content is regular and we post it on regular basis without any leave and without any gap. So how you can get it, I am giving you it's for free, just for just in trade of a review. You will get all these folder access plus lifetime Canva Pro subscription with 99% features. And this post is only for 100 slots, and we cannot exceed 100 slots. So I can add only 100 to it. This my team account, or this my Canva account. And other thing, I will give you branding guide and suggestion how you can choose your brand colors and how you can post consistent, just like I told you now. And at the last, I will share my social media handling and my social media management blueprint, how we do this in-house. I created a 8 pages more precise and comprehensive guide, so that you would not need anything and not need to read long stories to do management for your clients, for yourself. So all I am is giving you for free, just five for review. You may have to pay $5 to place Upwork order, so that way you can write review, because unless you cannot write review. To get this secret, to get this, you have to write me on LinkedIn. I will share, my manager will share SMM blueprint I showed you just now at LinkedIn. And to get a marketing templates, I'm showing you this in Canva. You have to write us on Cashkey official. I will place both links in the description, comment in my caption, so just you can reach us to learn these things on you. Again, you may have to pay $5 to just review, because Upwork don't allow to write review unless you have order. So I the minimum you can place order of $5. So I'm just charging you $5 just to save, just for sake reuse. It's not the value. It's not the price of value you are getting. You are getting Canva Pro lifetime subscription. You have to pay $59 per year, and I'm giving you access to all my templates. You can just edit and post on your social media, so that you can build your authority, and your client don't have to ask how you will do that, how I can trust you, because you build your trust on already. So these all things will be given to you, and you can reach us to on the following contact details too. And let me show you how you can access when I will share it with you. So I just shared it with my another email. Once you will get access, you will see this kind of dashboard to you. And let me go to projects. Okay, so you will come on projects, and then folders. You will see digital marketing social media design kit here, and you will have access to all these every folders. So how you will edit this? First of all, let's suppose I want to edit this fake template, so I will click on use this template, and most probably you will be given a brand kit with your colors and logos, so you don't have to upload manually, and don't have to select colors manually. You will be given a brand kit. Let me show you. For example, your brand kit will be with your name, X agency. Your name can be anything. So your name will be written here. Just select your brand kit here, and let me show you how you can change with one click color with your colors. One click, like this. Check. I just give one click, and it applied all colors, all possible colors to the design, and whatever suits you can choose and download. You can edit any element separately. It does not bound you to it just to bound you to add color palettes in there. You can do anything manually too. Let me add a logo there, and let me change color again. Yeah, you can see it's looking fine. So you can edit, download, and boom, that's all. Just shoot us DM and we will share all the information in here.